Market research formula consists of two major parts: quantitative, where we collect all the relevant numbers for our data-driven approach, and qualitative, where we analyze the data in detail. These parts each split into 4 topics. They are revealed in 6 mini courses, each of which lasts no longer than 40 minutes. You can find coupon codes for all the courses in the bonus section. In this course, we will analyze competitors, and the main question that we will answer is, how much money do they earn? By using special tricks, we will know whether it is even worth a shot to try to compete for the place that your competitor's app occupies. Maybe it is such a small piece of the overall pie that it might not be interesting at all. Or maybe it's so huge that we need to be aware of it, or maybe we haven't estimated the true strength of the competition. Anyway, after this course, you will have solid research skills which you will be able to use to make an objective, data-driven decision. Are you ready to look into your competitors' wallets? Let's begin.